Updating your profile details on Discovery Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Login. Open the Discovery Plus app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon on menu. Click on it to find the option for Profile Settings or Account Settings. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your information. You will see fields for your name, email, password, and other personal details. Make the necessary changes to your profile information. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your details, look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are saved. Now your profile details on Discovery Plus are updated. Enjoy your viewing experience with the correct information.